Nagdi-delay nga guys yung kwan. Medyo nagdi-delay yung video natin, Mabsat, no? Pero I hope okay naman yung sounds natin, mga Kabsat. But anyway, maraming salamat po sa mga bagong pasok. Again, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Welcome po sa ating live stream for tonight. Ito, pag-usapan natin si Pulong. Napakaduwag, tatak Duterte talaga, Mabsat. Alam niyo naman, basta pag ganyan, nako po. Duwag to the maximum level, Mabsat. Ito si Pulong. Ang sabi niya, kilala ng... Tapos bakit i-sounds na ganyan? I welcome the investigation. Wala tayong tinatago, wala tayong tinatakbuhan, at wala tayong kinakatakutan. Sinabi niya nung December 3 ba to? Anong petsa to? Basta, December 3 niya sinabi. Tapos kinabukasan, the ICI appears without power nor jurisdiction over me. Patragis Pulong. Nangyari. Wini-welcome mo yung investigation. Wala tayong tinatago, sabi mo. Wala kang kinakatakutan. Ha? At wala kang tinatakbuhan. Bakit isang araw lang lumipas naging it appears without power, or walang jurisdiction ang ICI sa'yo. Bakit ganyan? Asa na? Sabi ko na nga pare-pareha sila ng takbo ng utak eh. Ha? Matapang lang sa una, pero pag nandyan na, wala na. Tingnan mo si Baste. Di ba? Hinamon-hamon si Torre. Tapos biglang lumipad. Nag-flight. Di ba? Ito rin si Pulong. Kamusta na yung binugbog mo? Yung muntik mong, yung sinaksaksak mo, kamusta na? Buhay pa ba? Putragis. To use me and my sister, VP Sara, to divert the truth. Ha? Ano daw to divert the truth? Is the highly unacceptable and deplorable. Madlagis. Ano daw? Anak ng kamuting Pulong. Bakit duwag na duwag? Takot na takot pa imbestigan. Bakit? Ayaw mong makalkal yung 51 billion mo? Ha? Ayaw mong makalkal? Ilan na ba ang naging authored kon mo, May naging authored ka ba, naging batas na? Parang nasayin ko sa tagal mo na, mas matagal ka pa kay Sandro, pero parang kulelat ka. Anong silbi mo? Pinasasahuran ka rin ng 300,000 plus? Butragis, wala. Pare-parehas kayo, Tatak Duterte talaga kayo, Anak ng kamote, mga kakabsat. Agoy! Asan na yung yabang mo ngayon? Pulong. Bakit takot na takot? Asan na yung mayabang na Pulong? Asan na? Anak ng kamote. Tingnan nga natin. Ano ba sinabi niya dito? Ito. Ayaw humarap di Pulong. Ito. ICI Chairman. Dear Chairman Reyes, I welcome the investigation of the flood control project of Davao City, 1st District. However, I regret that I cannot accept your invitation to appear for the following reason. First, I am a sitting member of the Congress. Consider that ICI is a creation of President Marcos Jr. per EO number 94. The ICI appears without power nor jurisdiction over me. Lakopot, wala, duwag ka lang. Ang dami mong kayabangan, pero pag ikaw na imbestigan, takrot ka. Anak ka ng kamote. The Constitutional Separation of Power Bars, ICI, which is part of the execution branch, from including me in your executive mandate. Your power is purely limited to the executive branch. Second, even there appears to be no factual and legal basis for your invitation. Your invitation is a vague and ambiguous, absent any particular or details of material in possession of ICI. It is part of due process, fairness, and respect. Agoy! Wala! Bukan ka lang, duwag ka lang. Third, 5 pala. 6 daw yung kanya, rason niya. If it is all executed, particularly the DPWH, DBM, DOJ, DNR, DICT, PCAB at DTI, and other relevant government function functionaries are more than enough to satisfy your information gathering and mandate. As alter ego of the President Marcos Jr., you can rightfully secure any information or documents that you may be need in the connection with the subject projects from them. Pinuntan nga yung kwan dyan sa Davao region Kabadong-kabado ka na di ba? Paano mabibisto yung mga kapalpakan niyo? Fourth, suffice it says that I was not a member of the House Appropriations Committee from 2019 to 2022. I am therefore incompetent to answer your desired query. Baka hindi mo lang talaga kaya sagutin. Ha? Hindi mo talaga masasagot, lalo na kapag yung panahon na yan, 2019 to 2022, dyan ka na bigyan ng 21 billion ng tatay mo, di ba? Panahon ng tatay mo yan. Nako po. Sigurado, baka unang tanong pa lang dyan, hindi mo masagot. No? Asa na yung 51 billion? Saan napunta? Panglima, since ICI was created by President Marcos Jr., who was being implicated by one of the major players, ex-Congressman Elizabeth Ko, I feel that the ICI must immediately investigate President Marcos Jr., his family, and ex-Speaker Romualdez for tweet. Boy, may pa fourth tweet ka pang bobo! May pa fourth tweet yung kapatid mong si Sara na forever. Hindi fourth tweet. Makapag fourth tweet ka, anak ka ng makapag fourth tweet naman itong si Pulong. Pero ayun mga kapsat, nakita natin, no? Si Sandro Marcos humarap sa ICI, no? Walang tinatago, hinarap. Si Romualdez humarap sa ICI. Anong lumabas? No adverse finding. Nako po. Si Pulong, missing in action, takrot. Pareha sila ni Bato, takrot. Anak ng kamote. Mga duwag. Diba? Pag nandyan na yung warad, takot na. Diba? Ganun sila, kaduwag. Tatak Duterte talaga, duwag. Allen Valencia, di ba? Duwag na duwag. Nako po, Sir Leonardo. Nagmayabang na naman itong si Pulong. Pero duwag na duwag din. Guilty talaga yung Pulong Iyotman na yun. Nako po. Sinabi mo pa. Nako po. Kung magsalitan sa ICI, si Pulong, parang napakagaling na ng babatas. Uy! Napakagaling talaga kasi wala siyang naging wala siyang naging authored na batas. Principal authored. Zero. Mangibabain. Pinasasahuran ng buong Pilipinas. Zero. Sinupalpal pa siya ni Sandro Marcos sa dami ng principal authored. Si Kiko Barsaga at saka yan si Pulong. Zero. Mangibabain. Tapos ngayon makapagsabi ng fourth tweet, duwag din naman. Anak lang kamote. Nako po, mamsat, wag kayo magpapalin lang sa mga niyan, no? Tapos ngayon nagpapa-mind conditioning sila. Feeling nila malakas sila. Yung mga garapatang vlogger nila, sige, go lang. Kaya pinagtatawa na lang natin. Tragis. Nak ng kamote. Tuloy natin to. Asan na yan? Fourth tweet. Most especially flood control and infrastructure project in Region 1 and Region 8 from 2022 to 2025 and incidentally all projects prior thereof from 2020 to 2025. It is my impression that the ICI was created by President Marcos to save himself. Ngaw. And his family, extra Speaker Romualdez and leaks and provide diversion cover-up. Makapagsalita kayo diyan, nako po, takot na takot din kayo, no? Hindi nyo nga kaya ipaliwanag. Yung kapatid mong si Sara, left and right na tinatakasan niya. Pinagtanggol pa siya ng mga kaalyado yung mga Duterte din na wag lang matuloy yung impeachment na yan. Nako po. Talaga. Nako po. Pang-anim, the revelation of ex-Congressman Zaldico is indeed very revealing. It is shocking. It cannot be ignored. And they are exposes that need investigating. The use of They use me and my sister VP Sara to divert the truth, passing to blame the mislead the Filipino people to highly unacceptable and deplorable. Tangina. Anak ka ng kamote, oo. Talaga pinagkukan lang tayo dito. Huwag kayo nagpapaloko dito sa isang pulong, no? Tandaan nyo, kamusta na yung binugbog niya, no? Kitang-kita sa CCTV pinaggagawa niya. Lako po. Tapos baka pag forthwith ka, kapal naman na mukha mo. Sabihin mo yan sa kapatid mong si Inday. Ha? Nako po. Tandaan nyo, bawas na kayo. Wala na. Mga karyado mo, makukulong na. Agoy. Kaya kayo, nako po. Kayo mga garapata, good luck sa inyo, no? Total, ganyan naman kayo no? Mga kayo, panatiko talaga kayo. Bakit nagre-record ba to? No data. Oh. Okay. Okay na tayo dyan. Oh, forthwith din ba yung 51 billion na flood control project? Yung yung 51 billion niya, binabaha mismo, ha? Doon sa lugar niya, sa barangay din niya, binabaha. Papunta pa lang sa lugar niya, anak ng kamote. Talaga, nako po pulong. Samantalang si samantalang si Sandro, nako po, anong ginawa ni Sandro? Eto. Tingnan nyo, ito.
Sir, will you please raise your right hand and put your left hand on the Bible? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole
Buti
truth,
pa si Sandro, umarap. Si Pulong natakot. Duwag.
Will you please state your name, address, and other personal circumstances?
My name is Ferdinand Alexander Araneta Marcos, address 41 Nara Street, South Forbes, and I'm currently the first district representative of Ilocos Norte.
Witness now is under oath and ready to testify, Your Honors. Witness may now put down their hand. Sir, the Commission notes that you have sworn to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding. And therefore, please note that this hearing will be recorded both on audio and video. By proceeding, you understand that anything and everything that you say here can and could be used as evidence by this Commission in the pursuit of its functions under Executive Order 94, which includes the use of the recording, transcript, affidavits, and document in this hearing as evidence in any court or legal proceeding. Do you consent to the recording?
Yes. Yes, sir, I do consent to the recording.
Do you also consent that we live stream this hearing or subsequently air it on a later date on television and other forms of mass media, including social media, in accordance with the ICI live streaming guidelines?
With regards to that, sir, I'd like to defer to my counsel.
For the record, good counsel, can you please state your name and your position? Good counsel, may I request, may I ask for the
Grabe naman si Lynn Garcia. Grabe naman, oh.
Your Honors, we have written earlier to formally request for an executive session because our client here has already submitted himself voluntarily. He would like to share as much information as he can, as candidly as possible. And more importantly, there may be critical information that may be elicited from his testimony, which may jeopardize or compromise further investigation of this commission. So for that reason, we again request that for an executive session for Congressman Marcos.
Sir, do you consent to distribute copies of your sworn affidavits and other exhibits to the public and other forms of mass media, including social media?
Yes, sir, I consent.
Do you confirm that you submitted to the Commission a letter requesting for an executive session?
Yes, sir.
Do you consent that the Commission may share this letter request to the public and other forms of mass media?
Yes, sir.
You may now be seated.
Thank you.
All right. O diba? Si Pulong nasaan? Si Pulong nasaan? Nagtago sa palda ng kung sino man diyan. Takrot. Nako po. Oh, laking sampal to, no? Sa mga mga bumabatikos sa mga Marcos. Putragis. Wala na talaga, Mabsat. But anyway, Mabsat, no, nako po. Ang importante dito, Mabsat, kitang-kita natin. Hindi lang basta sa kitang-kita natin na talaga kung sino ang mga duwag at sino yung talagang humaharap. Puro palusot lang talaga sila, maabsat. Puro lang sila palusot, mga kamote. Agoy, saklap pulong. Ano na? Bakit takot na takot kayo? Nagtatago kayo. Bakit? Ayaw niyong i-explain? Natatakot kayo sa mga tatanungin sa inyo? Agoy. Naku po. O siya, punta na naman yung isang duwag na naman. Ito talagang duwag na talaga siya, guys, no? Sobrang yabang din nito. Lahat talagang kwento palaban daw, pero yung naduwag. Nasaan yung tapang niya? Nawala. O, tingnan natin sino ba to? Okay, countdown muna tayo, Babsat. Again, sa mga bago pasok dyan, shoutout po sa inyo. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Marisa Sunakawa, shoutout. Alright, countdown tayo.